Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for glowing skin. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant, crucial for protecting your skin from environmental stressors and damage. It plays a vital role in maintaining skin health, reducing inflammation, and supporting the skin's natural barrier. Incorporating it into your routine can significantly enhance your skin's texture and give it a healthy, radiant glow. There are several effective ways to apply vitamin E for maximum benefits. You can apply pure vitamin E oil directly to your clean skin, ideally before bed, allowing it to absorb overnight. Alternatively, mix a few drops into your regular facial moisturizer or serum to boost its antioxidant power. Many excellent skincare products also contain vitamin E, so check ingredient lists for formulations with at least 0.5%. Beyond topical application, your diet plays a significant role in skin health. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin E, such as almonds, spinach, and avocados, into your daily meals. These dietary sources provide essential nutrients that support your skin's health from within, contributing to its natural glow. A balanced diet, combined with topical care, offers a comprehensive approach to achieving truly radiant skin. While vitamin E is generally beneficial, it's wise to take a few precautions. Always perform a patch test on a small skin area first to ensure no adverse reactions, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you have any specific skin conditions or concerns, consulting a dermatologist is always recommended for personalized advice. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.